Okay, so I'm surprised to see this, but this is a 2017 pretty clean ass Suburban right here. Came in for a cylinder 4 misfire. You're gonna see it's got a collapsed lifter. Collapsed lifter because the stupid ass AFM system that they put in there, the active fuel management that are in these trucks are going out so much faster now. And it's gonna be a huge job, unfortunately, for this customer. But we're gonna knock it out and fix it. All right. It's gonna be a big job. And it only has 109,000 miles on it.
A dollar might turn to $1 million, then we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get this dough. No way, love one of your bucket head hoes. No way, hit the streets and we break the code.
2017 Chevy Suburban is all done except for its front end that we still need to put on. This is the one that cylinder 2 had a collapsed lifter. The AFM lifter, this is a known problem. I think this vehicle's only got 106,000 miles on it. It has a new cam, has all new lifters, new oil pump, a new oil valve manifold. God, push rods. Sounds so good. So nice, so nice, so nice. Be ready for pickup here tomorrow after I finish doing all the testing.
Very good.
Yep, sounds very good. We got no leaks, nothing. Good job, good job. That's not a leak, that's where Kyle spilled the coolant. Me, he pulled a me. Oops. Yeah, I like to pour coolant with no funnel. Did you have a funnel?
I didn't use a funnel.
You didn't use a funnel. Good job.
Not for that one, I didn't.
Teamwork
Not use a
makes the
funnel.
dream work. Yes.